Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with error 2 on your Haier washing machine from 2025, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues like a faulty door lock, water inlet problems, or even a simple reset need. Don't panic. Most of these can be fixed at home with a few basic tools and some patience. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your machine running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Check the door. Make sure it's properly closed and latched. Sometimes, a misaligned door can trigger this error. Give it a gentle push and ensure it's secure. If it feels stuck, inspect for any obstructions like coins or fabric caught in the lock. Step 2. Examine the water supply. Error 2 might indicate a problem with water flow. Turn on the faucet connected to your machine and check if water is coming through the inlet hose. If it's weak or blocked, clean the filter or straighten any kinks in the hose. Don't forget to turn off the water before messing with the connections. Step 3. Perform a reset. Unplug the machine for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. This can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, try running a test cycle with an empty drum. Step 4. If you're still seeing the error, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty sensor or wiring. In that case, consult your user manual or contact Haier customer support for professional help. Remember, attempting repairs yourself might void your warranty, so proceed with caution. There you have it. Simple steps to fix error 2 on your Haier washing machine. By following these, you'll save time and money. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.